Hello, hello, hello. I'm so excited. This is my very first YouTube channel. You guys, if you don't know me, my name is Dazzlin. You guys can call me Daz. I'm gonna be showing you guys my curly hair routine. I've gotten so many questions from people on the street, on Instagram, friends, family, on just how I got this hair, what I do to maintain it, what I do to take care of it, all that fun stuff. But today we're just going to be doing simple, easy, affordable, curly hair routine. Let's get started. These are my day 3 curls. My hair usually doesn't look like this on day 1 or day 2, so we are definitely in need of a wash. So I'm going to take you guys through my quick routine so you can see how I got nice tight curls. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair off camera. If you guys would like to see a more detailed wash and go, just let me know in the comments down below. But my hair is nice and clean. So how I style my hair, I like to section it into pieces. I just find this is the easiest way for me to get all the product evenly distributed throughout my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Smoothie. I love this stuff. The consistency is amazing. It's super thick, moisturizing, and we already know Shea Moisture is an all-natural brand. Excuse me for the brushing. I usually do this in the shower, but for the sake of this video, I had to do it on camera. So then I'm going to take a generous amount of the Shea Moisture Smoothie and just work it through my hair from the root to the tip. I like to finger comb because my hair is already so coily. I don't need to scrunch or finger coil my hair. So the second step is the Untitled Don't Shrink Elongating Curl Gel. I love this gel because the hold is so light. I find that every time I use this gel, that my hair stays defined for about 2 to 3 days, but it doesn't give you a crunch and it doesn't leave your hair hard. So I go ahead and do this process all throughout my hair, brushing it first, using the Jamaican Smoothie, and then finishing with the Don't Shrink Curling Gel. Also want to note, both of these products are super inexpensive. The Shea Moisture Smoothie is about $11 for 12 ounces, and the Untitled Don't Shrink Curling Gel is 15 ounces for $7. And these are honestly the only 2 products that I've been using lately. I'm in love with them both. Also, with the curling gel, it is an all-natural product. So it is paraben-free, sulfate-free, mineral oil-free, and it has no petroleum. Sorry guys, this is super hard when I don't have a monitor or a mirror right in front of me to look at, but you already know the curly girl struggle. I'm not gonna try to make it cute. It is what it is. Okay. We got it. We are good to go. So moving on to the top and back part of my head. Now these curls are a little bit more dry than the rest of my head, so I do a different styling method. These I do brush out of the shower facing down to give me a little bit more volume when my hair dries. I apply the same smoothie, combing my hair forward, but then when I use the Untitled Don't Shrink Gel, I finger coil my curls. I find that this helps train the curl, especially for the pieces that are a little bit more frizzy than others, or they're just stragglers and they don't want to curl on their own. This helps the back of my head stay nice and defined. So I do this from the crown of my head all the way up to the front of my forehead. And I know this may seem like a long process, but I promise you, once you get the hang of finger coil, you know which pieces just need a little extra leaven, it'll be super quick process for you. So moving on to the last section of my hair, this is the front part, which I think is the most important. So I put a little extra product when it comes to the pieces in the front of my head. And I do the same process that I did with the back of my head. I finger coil each piece. For some reason, I find if I don't twist the pieces in the very front row of my head, actually, that my hair will be very frizzy and it'll just look crazy within the first day. So this really helps my hair stay intact. And then I can go ahead and pull apart the curls once my hair is dry to give it a little bit more volume. When this whole process is done, go ahead and take some general store clips and just hold that hair back, and then go ahead and brush the baby hairs. I use the same on Jackie elongating gel to hold my baby hairs down, and I honestly use the same gel for my eyebrows as well. So this is the finished result. Those clips just help my hair stay back and out of my face while it dries, and I find that it helps me get a little bit more volume when I take them out after. And that's how I style my hair. From here, I air dry, so I don't use heat. Can't even remember the last time I straightened my hair. If I'm gonna blow dry my hair, it's on cool. Literally every day, I have to time when I wash my hair because I need the whole day to let it dry. So I usually wash my hair in the AM and let it dry from there. So this is the finished result, and I will be back in a couple hours to show you guys how it came out. I'm back, and this is my hair all dry. As you can see, I have a lot of shrinkage, but it doesn't really look that different. My hair just likes to stay around my shoulders. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out these bobby pin clips and flip my hair to the front. So because my hair coils up really tightly, I have to finger separate all my pieces. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Hair Sheen Spray. This is an oil-based spray, and I love using oils to help remove and untwist some curls. That way I don't create frizz in my hair. I also use the two Chic Dual Action Leave-In Spray. This is another oil. These are both natural based products, but they have different ingredients in them and different types of oils, so I like to mix them both. So I just squirt a little bit of this in my hands and start finger raking my curls. When I do this part, I'm very gentle because I don't want to disrupt any of the curl patterns or make my hair frizzy. So I make sure to use a lot of oil. And remember guys, curly hair, especially my curly hair, can get dry, so my hair is going to soak that oil right up. Then I flip my hair and put it into the back, and if you notice, I never scrunch. I either pull or rake. I don't like to squeeze my hair. Then I'm going to spray that Carol's Daughter right onto my hands. This stuff smells amazing. Smells so good. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing and start separating those groups of curls. These are both natural products as well. No sulfates, parabens. Both of these oils are budget friendly as well. The Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla is 4 ounces for $8, and the two Chic Dual Action is 4 ounces for $7. When you do your hair as well, you don't necessarily need 2 oils, but like I said, I mostly use the Carol's Daughter for the purpose of its smell because it's so delicious and intoxicating, and the other one for its avocado and olive oil properties. And that's the final look, you guys. This is my regular curl routine, simple, mainly used for products, all natural curly hair styling. So this is the finished look. I'm so excited. It came out pretty good. My hair is pretty tight and coily, so it'll probably take another day for it to reach its fullest volume. Also, quick tip, if you flip your hair, it also helps. You'll probably catch me doing that outside like 20 times a day, but I don't really like a lot of frizz, so I don't use picks or anything like that. I just flip my hair, call it a day. But that is how I achieve my natural curls. And if you guys got to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited to be starting this journey with you guys. This is honestly something I've wanted to do for the longest time. I'm just gonna be giving you guys my tips and tricks as a 21-year-old coming straight out of college. As a girl, we wanna live our best lives, but on a budget. So hair care, skincare, self-care, travel, fitness, all of it, anything. I'm gonna put you guys on. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys soon.